Hey everyone, thanks for joining us once again. Today we're going to be making one of these little wooden houses. My wife had seen something similar online and asked me if I could throw one together for her. This is what I came up with. You can put some of those fake candles inside or some of those little lights, and it looks pretty cool when you have the light coming out the windows and stuff like that. So we're going to show you how to make this today, or at least how I made it, and let's get started. So now here I just kind of arbitrarily laid out where I wanted my windows. I was just winging it since I didn't really have any plans. You can kind of put them wherever you want, whatever you think is going to look good. Now I just used the jigsaw to cut out the excess on the windows. If you have like a nice bandsaw or something else, you can get them a little bit smoother. But for this, I was using rough cut wood anyway and kind of wanted more of a rustic feel to it, so the kind of unsmooth edges from the jigsaw weren't a big deal for me. And I was originally also going to keep them as rectangular windows, but after I was kind of looking at it, I had asked my wife if she wanted me to leave the little dome tops on top of the windows, and she said that looked good, so I ended up leaving the top kind of rounded off like that. Now, as you can see, I'm staining these top roof boards here. It's because I'm using an oak. It's what I had in that thin wood, which looked best on top of this. So I'm just giving it a quick staining, just so when I paint over top that has a little bit darker color underneath, just like the walnut does on the rest of it. So it all kind of matches up. I'm going to give it a nice coat of paint. This is Fusion Mineral Paint and Raw Silk. And I'm kind of just giving a quick coat on the inside, just because when you see in the windows, you're going to see some of that, so I didn't want it to be sloppy or anything. But I'm going to dry brush over the whole thing to give it more of a dry brushed look. And dry brushing basically just means you're just putting a little bit of paint on the brush and you're going over really lightly. You're not pushing real hard. You're not trying to get in every crack and get a nice solid coat of paint. So as you can see here, there's still a lot of saw marks and kind of that darkness from underneath still showing through. All right, and that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. And with that, we'll see you next time.